you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're brand new, my name is Brittany Banter. I go by Brittany Banter here and also over on Instagram if you want a good laugh, if you like dance moves, if you like someone that doesn't always seem sane. I also share tips over there as well, but if you guys want more humorous content, that's my focus on Instagram. Over here, I'm trying to teach you guys how to be a 5-figure reseller from home just like me. I am a full-time stay-at-home mom. I do this on the side around my kids during nap time, downtime, weekends, while my husband can watch my kids, etc. So, I am so proud to say that I make my teacher salary that I used to make on the side doing this while also being able to stay home out with my kids. Again, that's why I'm here, to teach you guys how to do the same thing. If you have more time on your hands than I do, you could still mimic what I'm doing. But today's video is going to be how to lot together or resell your kids' clothing. I'm going to go through some brands. I'm going to show you guys how I photograph, how I look up comps, how I know what to sell things for, and all of that. So this video was highly requested over on Instagram. I do polls over there as well to see what you guys want to see on this channel. So if you are interested on how to resell your kids' clothing, just keep on watching. Alright, so just to hit off with the beginning of this video, I wanted to let you guys know that the majority of the clothes that I'm going to cover are items that I would bundle, lot, or put in a set, meaning that there's going to be multiple pieces going out to one customer. That is the most common way that I resell my kids' clothing. I do pick up kids' clothing at the thrift store if it's worth my time, which I'll explain in a little bit. So a lot of the brands that I lot together are like Carter's, there's different lines within Carter's. I'll lot all those together. Gymboree, Ralph Lauren, like mid-tier brands. Now if it's like a specialty item, like if I have a really nice dress, I had a really nice dress by Janie and Jack. It was like a holiday silk plaid dress. I sold that thing for like 40 bucks. I would not put that in a bundle unless you had multiple items that were very similar, like holiday items. But those pieces I normally sell on their own. If you guys want me to cover toys or shoes, leave me a comment down below. I'll make separate videos for that. Today's video is going to be dedicated solely to clothes. So I'm going to pull some things from my inventory and show you guys an example of a lot. And then I will do a screen share and show you guys how to find comps and what I would post and make sure that I'm using in my list. Right behind me, I have my camera set up. I'm going to flip this in a second. I have a set of pajamas. I feel like we all have kids that wear sleepers. And I'm going to give you guys some keywords. I'm going to show you guys how I would photograph this and all of that good stuff. So let me turn the camera around. Okay, so these are obviously items that I picked up from the thrift, but this would be a good example of a set that I would put together and list. So, 2 of these are fleece, 1 is just cotton, and they all zip. So those would be keywords that we are going to use. We have a 12-month sleeper, an 18-month sleeper, and another 18-month sleeper. Do not be afraid to combine sizes. So now how I would photograph this, we'd have, here we go, flat lay, and obviously clean it up a little bit. I have one hand right now. We would lay this down, pop, bada bing, bada boom. We would put it like this. I normally fold the sleeves in, but you get the idea. So in this listing, and I will do a screen share in just a second, I would use the keyword toddler girls 18 to 12 month sleeper pajamas set bundle lot. Those are all good keywords. And then down in the description I would put that, and then I would use fleece in the description. I would use the characters on there: winter, birds, warm, unicorn, fox, like whatever's on there, if you have the space. Make sure you're getting those keywords up in the title because that's how people are going to find it. Make sure in your description it's very detailed too, right? So lot of 3, set of 3, girls pajamas, footy set, good use condition, smoke-free home. I always put like the sizing, so I would put 2 of these onesies, or 2, don't use the word onesies. Do not use the word onesies, it's a bad keyword. 2 of the sleepers, both fleece sleepers, are 18-month, cotton set is 12-month. That's it. And then all the other stuff I mentioned. So let's look up some comps real quick. Now to find a comp, we are gonna type in 12-month girls pajama set. And we're just gonna see what comes up, because that's pretty generic. Actually, you know what? Let's do 18-month. Okay. And then we're gonna hit filter, condition is used. And we're gonna see what people are asking on the front page, and then we're gonna see what the sold comps are, because that's actually more important. Now hold on a second. My internet decided not to work. Okay, so I see short sleeve. You know what, let's put the keyword fleece so that we can see more specifically what we're offering. Okay. I'm seeing individuals. There's some that are 3. It says a lot of 6 though. Okay, let's hit filter and let's hit sold. Okay. Okay, 15 were available, 15 are sold, so we're looking good there. Then we're gonna hit sort, highest price plus shipping, and now you're gonna see like really big lots. Like if you want to do that, you can. I often do that if I have similar sizes. So if I had more 12 or 18-month, I could do like a set of 10. Just keep in mind that you're gonna need a larger shipping container for those 3 right there. I can do flat rate, probably first class. Okay, so here I see footed, lot of 2, size 18-month. And this would be a very similar comp, so I would probably use this. It says $16 plus $8.61 shipping, so you could take a little bit off of that since yours. Okay, here's a set of 3, $12 plus $4.88 shipping, so that would probably be a good example. So probably would list mine around $14 to $18. You can add the shipping if you want. If you wanted to do it for free, maybe just do $18 shipping. And I think that that would be a good example of what you would get for it. So they got about $16.80, so you're looking at like $16.99. Like maybe just do that with free shipping. The shipping would probably cost you around $5, so you have to take that out of there. So you're making, what did we say, $16.99? You're making like 11 bucks off of that. So if that is worth your time, go ahead and do it. If that doesn't seem like it's worth your time, I would add to that bundle and make it bigger, so you only have to ship it out once. So that bigger lot, what was that one going for? Let's see. If you had 4, that would be about, let's see, 25 bucks. So if you just add one more of those in there, you could do like $24.99 free shipping, and then you're making like 20 bucks, okay? Because of the shipping. So I think that's a good example though. If you just have things you want to get out of the house, make a quick 20 bucks, list 5 lots of those, and now you have what, 100 bucks, right? Yeah, $100. Quick, easy money, get it out of your house, declutter, all of that. So now I'm going to give you guys an idea or an example of like a more luxury item that I would list on its own. So you can mimic what I just did but with other kids' clothing and look up the comps. So for example, I would resell my kids' clothing. I have little boys, so if I had 15, I'm going to say it for the video, onesies, but please do not use that keyword. It's not a good one. You can just use like jumper, short sleeve, lot, whatever. And then I had 10 pairs of pants. I could put outfit sets. That's a good one, and make sure that that's in the description. And then I would look up the comps, and I could say, okay, if I had 10 onesies and 10 pairs of pants, I look up the comps for boys 6-month outfit sets. That would be the description. Search, look at the sold. Let's just say for that amount, I'm going to get $45. That's what I'm going to ask. I'm going to do free shipping probably. I'm going to use a good strong title with keywords, and then I'm going to use a great description, and I'm going to put buy it now. I do not do auctions many times unless it's like a really high demand item, and I think I could get more and quicker if I do it like that. So let me show you an example of like something I would sell on its own, not in a lot. Alright, I think this is a good example, and I will pop a picture up right here. This was an 18-month snow bib, dark gray, outdoor outfit, I guess you could call it. They're just snow bibs, but like those are good keywords. They're in really good condition. They look like they've only been worn a couple of times. So again, in the description, good condition from a smoke-free home. And I did add measurements to these photos, which I'll show here too. Measurements shown in images. I've stopped sharing the measurements in my description because I will send them out and someone will say, you said these were 14 inches long. They're only 13 and a half. Like, I've actually had that happen, and I'm like, you have to be kidding me. So now they can go to the picture and they can, at their own discrepancy, see exactly how long anything is. Right? Like, come on, people. So these I will double check, but I think I have them listed for like $12.99 and a few dollars shipping. I would probably not lot these up together because if someone searches for snow bibs and they don't need a jacket or a hat or boots or mittens to go with it, and you've added that now, they're probably going to pass over your listing and be like, I only need snow bibs. Now, if you had the matching jacket, that would make more sense. But like, don't add random pair of boots. Maybe their kid wouldn't fit in those. Maybe they don't want boots. Maybe the boots are not in the greatest condition and these are. Like, I just normally list stuff like this on its own. Now, I picked this up, and this would be a good way to experiment if you're wanting to resell too, and you already have kids' clothing, and you're like, okay, I get the hang of this. And you go into the store and you're like, wow, I can pick this up for 50 cents and I'm going to sell it for $15 and I'm going to make, you know, after taxes and fees, you'll probably make like 12 bucks, but like it's going to take 10, 20 minutes of your time and you're going to make $12. Like, think of it, that would be, if you doubled it, you're making $24 an hour, like just working from your house. Okay, so if you're slower at listing, that would be something to start out. Now this took me, I saw it in the store, anything that's big or bulky like this in the kids section, I normally look at it. I sold a Magic Marlin sleeping suit for $24. I listed it. It sold within like 20 minutes because I had it priced right. I described it very nicely and I shipped it quickly. It was free shipping. I bought it for $1.49 and so after taxes and fees, cost of goods, everything, I probably made $18 to $20. Quick, easy money. If that's how you want to start out, low cost of goods, low risk. Worst case, I could have dropped the price and sold it for like 15 bucks. I'm still in the green with the profit. So those are two examples. Again, if you have like higher end or more trendy brands, so we're talking bogs for boots, we're talking snow bibs, we're talking sleep suits, we're talking, you know, higher ticketed items that are still selling brand new for way more than you're going to list them for, but you're still going to make good money. I've sold dresses before. I've sold, I don't even know. I'm getting into kids' shoes more. I can show you guys an example in another video. I just sold a pair of little baby LeBron James Nike shoes. I just picked those up. I think they were like $1.99 because they're little baby crib, what they call crib shoes. I picked those up like $1.99. They sold just now for like $21. Like, that to me is worth a little bit of time because it's such low risk. But I am trying to feed more into $50 and up profit or sale price from what I pick up for really cheap. So I'm gonna do another what sold video. I'll include other things in there, but if you guys just wanted an idea of how to sell your kids' clothes online, I hope this helped you. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, educational, or you feel like it's gonna give you an idea of what to do in the future, please give this video a thumbs up so YouTube does not banish me to a weird corner of the internet that you'll never find again. And go follow me on Instagram if you want to laugh and other tips, tricks, and different things to become a reseller at home or just to sell things from your house. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I definitely enjoyed filming it. I will see you next time. Bye.